Hey guys, this is Mama Made. This is my giant couponing haul for the week of October the 15th through the 21st, 2021. I do shop at Giant. A lot of times Stop and Shop at Martin's. We have the same deals, but not always. So make sure you're checking your own ads and prices in store. My shopping list will be in the description box down below, so definitely check that out. And any other videos that I may mention will be in the description box below. If you have any additional deals you want to share, definitely write those in the comments. And let's go ahead and get started. I just want to preface this video by letting you know that some of these deals are because I had Ibotta bonuses. So I needed like 18 rebates to get me to the $15 bonus. And then I had a weekend thing where I had to get 15 rebates. So $15 back if I bought 15 items, or actually 18, but I did grab milk for the 10% off. So anyway, guys, so that's pretty much like $1.50 additional back per item, plus whatever the Ibotta rebate is for that individual item. So really good deal. I just wanted to include those items. I thought about not including them, but in case you want to work on those bonuses, some great items to grab. I did go to a different Giant that I know has some of these items my normal store doesn't carry. So just keep that in mind. If you live in a dicky country area, you might not be able to find some of these items. Alrighty, so the first item here is this Wonder, the English muffins. They're $2.99. I had a 50-cent digital. Ibotta had $1.50 back, so it was a cost of 99 cents. I don't want to say this for every item, but keep in mind with my bonus, I'll be getting back $1.50 per item, plus whatever the bonus is. So that makes some of these items, if you really think about it, money makers, or it just covers. You know what? I'm thinking about this. I forgot to grab for my video. I have a big package of ground beef. It's $3.29. So think of that. Any of the overage goes towards the items that you need. $3.29 a pound though for the big family package of ground beef. I went ahead and grabbed one of those. It was $20, but that's a decent price. All right, so for this little brown cow item here, my normal store doesn't carry this. This is found with the Hershey Colliders in the refrigerated section. So it's $3.99. We got a $1.25 digital coupon, and then Ibotta gave me back $2.25, making it only cost of 49 cents. Working toward the bonus though. Sargento $2.50. There's a $1 off a 2 digital coupon, and then Ibotta gives you back 50 cents on each of them, making it $3 or $1.50, and that is my stock up price for bags of cheese. The Breyers ice cream, a little splurge deal this week. They are 4 for $10 when you buy 4. I used the 50-cent coupons that are coming in the Sundays Unilever. I did get mine early. Only one of them will double, so keep that in mind, and it is a limit of 2 on those coupons. So anyway, I paid $8.50 or $2.13 a piece. Good enough deal for us, but that might be a splurge item for you. So think if your budget can handle that. The Welches juicefuls, not on sale, $2.39, but it is counting toward Ibotta. There's a 50-cent digital coupon. Ibotta gave me back 50 cents, so it was $1.39. But anything around $1.50 is a really good price for your Ibotta bonuses. All right, so the Kotex, another Ibotta deal, $2.79. There's a $1 digital, a 50-cent Ibotta, so it was a cost of $1.29 in store. The Daisy cottage cheese. This item here was $2.49. There was a $1 rebate on Ibotta. I did have a 55-cent coupon that Daisy had mailed me. I forgot to add that into this, but that did double. So for me, let's do the math. I think it was only a cost of 39 cents for one of those. The Kite Hill here, if you don't have that coupon though, $1.49. This rebate has been on Ibotta forever, but I made it to a different Giant that actually carries it. This stuff was actually found in the refrigerated section in the organic natural aisle. $1.39. Ibotta gave me back $1.99, making it a 40-cent moneymaker. Little Debbie's, these were found on an end cap. $2. Ibotta's giving back 50 cents. It was a limit of 2. I grabbed 2 of these because these are my husband's favorite little snack cakes. So they made those $1.50 a piece. This is the 5-point freebie for this week. I do have a video on how to do that. I will link it down below if you have not seen that. So the 5-point freebie comes off. Now, just so you're aware, there was also a digital deal. It makes any Pop-Tart, Special K cereal, or Rice Krispie treats $1.49. But if you clip that, it actually attached to this item. You don't get any type of overage or anything like that. So it just reduced the item down to $1.49, and then it took off $1.49 for the 5-point freebie. So in case you're wondering, there is no overage there on that coupon there. However, guys, Ibotta gave me back $1. Oh, and I also forgot to write this down. I had a 70-cent printable that did double. So that was an additional $1.40 moneymaker. So the total cost was a $2.40 moneymaker. I don't know how I forgot to write that down, but anyway. So guys, I'm excited about this. This deal here, we've never had this, but for a meal that I don't have to cook, and it sounds super tasty inside. It is $10.99. This is found in the deli section. For me, I found it on the other little section that holds the hummus and the like Rana homemade pasta. There's a $5 digital coupon. Ibotta gave me back $2.50, making it a cost of $3.49. But for a meal that I don't have to cook, $3.49 for lasagna, that is cheap enough in my opinion. I also wanted to let you know that the I think it's $3 or 350 points you can redeem for the all set in a box. I did redeem my points. I'm gonna have to go to the same Giant and pick it up, and you can only grab it between 3 and 7. You can call and order it and go in store and pick it up that way. I might do a little video to let you know how that goes, but that is a good meal option. $3.50 for a meal for your family. That's a great promotion there. The Sunmaid, you guys saw me do this deal last week. They're buy one get one free on these mini snacks. These are found in the produce aisle, not with the snacks. So buy one get one free. Ibotta's giving back 50 cents on each of them, and then I had $1 off a 2 mailer coupon when I had contacted Sunmaid. These little yogurt covered raisins are $2.50. Ibotta's giving back 50 cents on each of them, and then I had another $1 off a 2 mailer. And then there's a Catalina. You get $3 Catalina back when you buy 4, so it's only a cost of 99 cents, but all of these were counting towards my Ibotta rebate. If I'm going too fast to slow your video down, you can change the speed. I know I'm talking a lot because there's a lot to talk about, and I'm talking kind of fast. Hungry Jacket, $2.50, 75-cent Ibotta. This is on the humongous package. It's a 26.7 ounce. So they made it $1.75, and that right there is just a good price for that item there. The Coke Zero, this was the 5-point freebie last week. Again, I found this at my new store. Really weird. It was in the deli department, not the deli, like the produce aisle where they had like pre-made sandwiches and stuff. So that's where I found this at this week. So I was kind of glad I at least grabbed that. Butterfingers, guys, I think I told you my ad preview that I wasn't going to grab anymore because we don't need any more candy. But at this price, and they're my husband's favorite, I had to. Okay, they're 5 for $10. Good thing they're not my favorite because that would be hard to stay out of. There are different recipes you can make with candy, so keep that in mind. You don't have to eat it all. 5 for $10 when you buy 5. And this week it actually rang up correctly at $2 a piece. Last week it did not ring up the right way. This morning, $1.50 off of 2 digital showed up for me. Ibotta's giving back 50 cents on each bag, maxed out at 5 times. And then when you buy 5 bags, you get a $4 Catalina, making it only $2 or 40 cents a bag. Great deal. The Buddig, I guess that's how you say it, is $5. Ibotta's giving back $1. It's a cost of $4, but this is almost a 1.5 pound package. I make stromboli, ham barbecue. I can link ham barbecue down below. There's lots of things. You don't have to just do sandwiches. So try to, when you're coming up with meals and you get these random items, think outside the box. These right here were for my Ibotta. This Nivea balm, post-shave balm. I think my husband will probably use that. That's $3.79. Ibotta gave it back $2.50. $1.29 is the cost on that. The Edge Shave Gel is $2.99. Ibotta gave back $1.50, making it $1.49. And the Nivea Men's, oh, I'm sorry, guys. I told you the wrong thing. The Edge here is $2.99, $1 digital coupon. Ibotta gave me back $1. So the Edge is only a cost of $1. And then the Nivea Shave is $2.99. Ibotta gave back $1.50, so it's a cost of $1.49. Keep in mind, they do have cheaper shave items, but they were not scanning as working for the Ibotta rebate. So scan if you're in doubt if it's gonna work. Okay, guys, so I did these in 3 separate transactions. The white Dove here, the deodorant Dove here, and the men's Dove Derma, because the $3 when you spend 10 was not working if you did them twice in the same transaction. At least digitally it wasn't, and I didn't want to mess with it. So every time you want to spend $10, save $3, I would separate it just because digitally it was not coming off for me when I was testing it at home. So I grabbed 2 of these Dove Derma at they're $5 a piece, so that hits you the $10 mark. $3 instant savings came off just fine. I had a 3 off of 2 Dove Derma and a 2 off of, I don't remember if it's 2 off of 1 or 2 off of 2, digital coupon. They both worked, so it was only a cost of $2 or $1 a piece. That was something my mom had asked me to grab. I grabbed 2 of these men's. Now keep in mind, you might want to go with the women's on this deal unless you can find this. This was the only item that was attaching digitally to those digital Dove coupons. It was a Stain Defense Cool. The other men's dry sprays were not attaching. So it may work, but it just digitally wasn't attaching, so I didn't want to test it. So I grabbed 2 of those dry sprays at $6.59. I had a $2.50 off of 2 and a $1.75 off of 1 Dove spray deodorant digital coupons. Like I said, the Stain Cool is the only thing that was digitally attaching. Ibotta gave me back $2 on each of them. Fetch gave me back 2,000 points, which is equal to $2. So for me, it was a 7-cent moneymaker. You can grab the women's. There's lots of other Dove items that you can mix and match and come up with your own scenario. The last thing I did was for a friend here. This body wash, this is the smaller one at $3.99. There's a $2.50 coupon that's coming in the Unilever on Sunday. I went ahead and used that because I got it early. And I grabbed 2 of the hair products at $3.50. There is a 3 off of 2 coupon. Just keep in mind if you're at self-checkout, that coupon will beep because it's $3. They just have to approve it. No big deal. Instant savings came off just fine, making it $2.49 for all 3 items. That's less than $1 a piece, guys. So really, really good deals this week going on at Giant. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Super excited to see a really big haul. It's been quite a while. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.